What's up, everybody? We is going on a nature adventure. Allow me to introduce myself. It is a me, Meme Clan, and today we are going on a walk and experience nature from the comfort of YouTube. We've been trying to find the trail with no luck, and we'll get back to you guys as soon as we find it. Alright guys, we know where the walk is. We're gonna head over there right now. This is some running water. It's very fast. And it's very epic, my dudes. I found the trail, and it's pretty epic, my dudes. Whoa. Pretty epic water. This is pretty epic. Overgrown, but still very epic. Yeah, boy. Everything about this place is just so epic. Look at all this. This is just so epic. Whoa, this is all very epic. Very nice, very epic. Very epic. The path is getting a little bit narrow here. Ah, that's funny. Okay, so we're just, he's just clanking his rock on something, I think. I think he's digging for something. Yeah, he's digging for something. Oh, I wonder what he's digging for. Very epic. Very epic. Oh, what is he digging out? Something? I think he's digging out something. I don't know. What he's doing? He's doing something, man. Bruh. Bruh, what the heck? What are you doing? It's just a tree, man. Oh my goodness, man. This is very epic, very fun. They're digging. Ooh, it's a rock. Ooh, they're digging for it. Oh yeah, this is very cool.
Well, last time was a lot bigger.
Whoa, that's very epic. So I guess they're just digging up rocks. This is very nice. Very outdoorsy. You'll find that this whole video is in the outdoors, which is very cool. Okay. They seem to be making progress on digging up a rock. Bruh, that's a really big rock.
It's not the one I'm going for. I'm getting out of the way.
OMG. Bruh, OMG, oh my goodness, OMG, oh my goodness. That is a very big boy rock. Oh my goodness. This is very dank. Very cool. Very epic. Whack. We be walking, my dude. Yeah, look at the surroundings. Yeah, look at the surroundings. You can see houses from here. Well, obviously, since we're not that far from houses. That's kind of funny. I mean, to me. This nature walk is pretty epic. This is very epic. This is running water. It's pretty high. Like, pretty high, if I must say so myself. This is very high.
A week ago, that wasn't there. All material.
Whoa, this is very epic. Wow, just look at this. Epic. Oh, this is Treasure Island. And it's pretty epic. Yeah, this is very overflowing. Because if it wasn't overflowing, you would be able to walk up to that tree. But, well, you know, it's overflowing. So, yeah, basically. What do you mean? It's very dank. Literally. We searching for rocks. boys. Guys, look at the other side. Wow, that is very epic. You don't want to hit those rocks. That would hurt like a lot. Wow, this is just look at this. Just embrace the scenery, my dudes. Very epic.
That's why I wore my crappy shoes.
That's very epic. There's just these random picnic tables. That's a bra moment right there. He's doing something. XD. Yeah, you really don't want to go out far or you get swept up. Wow. This is all very epic. Very epic, right? Yeah. So epic. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is actually epic. I need to find a word to say besides epic though, to be honest. GG, honestly.
You might not be recording me doing this.
Pretty epic. Very epic right there. Okay. My dudes. Epic nature video. Take in all the scenery around you. Whoa, scenery. Very epic. Very cool. I'm just gonna panorama around scenery. Very epic. Very cool. Oh guys, it got really sunny. Whoa dudes, it got incredibly sunny really fast. Look at this. Look how sunny it is. OMG, it's so sunny. Wow. Very cool. Very amazing. Just like that it's so sunny. Wow, with this amazing scene. Amazing scenery. Very cool. Okay, this is a campfire. It's not on fire or whatever. It's still a very epic campfire. XD. OMG, I'm standing in the campfire. Wow, I'm burning and there's no fire, so I'm not really burning. But that's a big XD though. That's the only time you can stand in the campfire is when it's not lit, obviously. You don't want to burn. That's not very epic. This is very epic. Everything about this is epic. We be walking. Oh, I gotta catch up to them. Ketchup. Ketchup's my favorite sauce. Oh. Whoa, dudes. My bros. Look at the scenery, my bros. Very epic. We're all around you. It's just scenery. Epic scenery. Epic. This is very epic. Nature. This is all epic. Just epic. Look around here. That's some pretty epic shading. That's some pretty epic shade. Brought to you by trees. Wow. Okay, I just film a little bit of walking. And whoa, that's really up close. That is a cool view, up close. Wow, very epic. Alrighty, man. This is all epic. Alright, guys, we just exited the trail, and now we're just gonna be dank, like usual. Ben, my very epic nature walk video. If you liked, please leave a like and please subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, see you in the next video.